How to create a dual-axis radar chart in Excel. Create chart from selection. Search for dual-axis radar chart. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Chart is created with 2 numerical data columns. Now we will add a categorical data column. This is an optional feature. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Chart is created with 1 categorical and 2 numerical data columns. Dual-axis radar chart data requirements. You need 1 column of categorical data to create a dual-axis radar chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 2 columns of numerical data to create a dual-axis radar chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: dual-axis radar chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties, then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Settings button to change the chart type. Click on the Chart Type section. You can change the chart type to radar, spider, or polar. Click on the Apply All button. The chart type has been changed to spider. Click on the Settings button to reset the chart type. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Settings button to change the curve point. Click on the Curve Point section. Change the curve point radius. Click on the X-axis Properties pen to edit the properties. You can change the Label and Font Style section properties. Apply the same process to the Y-axis. Click on the Y-axis Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label section to append % as a postfix to the numbers. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Box section to change the color of the box. Click on the Apply button. Similarly, change the color of the other box. Click on the Save Changes button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in SVG, PDF, PNG, or JPG. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to install ChartExpo add-in. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in, enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in my add-ins box. Click on the ChartExpo add-in to select it. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.